2026 Unity TBX, the ultimate compact luxury motorhome? Imagine a motorhome that looks compact from the outside, drives like a premium touring vehicle, yet transforms into a refined luxury apartment once you step inside. A motorhome that's designed not just for camping, but for intelligent, modern travel. Today, we're taking a first in-depth look at the 2026 Unity TBX, a motorhome that redefines what's possible in the small luxury RV segment. This is not about excess size or flashy gimmicks. This is about smart design, premium craftsmanship, and real-world usability for travelers who demand more. In this video, we'll explore the exterior styling, interior living space, kitchen and sleeping layout, driving performance, smart technology, and finally, the honest pros and cons so you can decide if the Unity TBX deserves a spot on your dream travel list. Exterior design. At first glance, the 2026 Unity TBX immediately communicates purpose and sophistication. Built on a modern commercial van platform, it blends clean lines with a confident road presence that feels premium rather than bulky. The aerodynamic body design isn't just for looks. It improves fuel efficiency and stability at highway speeds. Smooth side panels, flush-mounted windows, and precision body integration give the Unity TBX a seamless, factory-finished appearance, rather than a typical aftermarket RV conversion. The front profile feels modern and assertive, while the side silhouette remains sleek and well-proportioned. High-quality exterior materials ensure durability against long-distance touring, changing climates, and extended travel use. From city streets to mountain highways, the Unity TBX looks equally at home, refined enough for urban environments, yet rugged enough for adventure-driven lifestyles. Interior and living space. Step inside the Unity TBX and the compact footprint disappears almost instantly. The interior design focuses on openness, light, and intelligent space utilization. Large windows flood the cabin with natural light, creating an airy atmosphere that feels far larger than you'd expect from a motorhome of this size. The lounge area is thoughtfully designed, offering comfortable seating with premium upholstery and ergonomic support. This isn't just a place to sit, it's a space meant for relaxing, working remotely, or enjoying long evenings after a day on the road. Materials throughout the cabin feel upscale and durable. Clean cabinetry lines, soft touch surfaces, and subtle accent lighting combine to create a calm, modern living environment. Every inch feels intentional, with no wasted space and no unnecessary clutter. For couples or solo travelers who value comfort without excess, the Unity TBX interior strikes an impressive balance. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen area is compact but highly functional, clearly designed for real cooking, not just reheating meals. You'll find a well-organized layout with quality appliances, practical storage, and enough counter space to prepare meals comfortably on the road. Cabinets close solidly. Surfaces are easy to clean, and lighting is positioned perfectly for day or night use. Everything feels designed for daily living, not occasional use. When it's time to rest, the sleeping area transforms efficiently, offering a comfortable bed with supportive cushioning and thoughtful ventilation. This is a space designed for proper sleep, not compromise, making long journeys far more enjoyable. The bathroom continues the theme of intelligent design. Despite its compact size, it offers privacy, functionality, and a surprisingly premium feel. Clean finishes, quality fixtures, and smart space separation create a mini spa-like environment that exceeds expectations for a motorhome in this category. Performance and driving experience. One of the standout strengths of the 2026 Unity TBX is how it drives. Behind the wheel, it feels more like a refined touring van than a traditional RV. The engine delivers smooth, confident power, making highway cruising effortless and overtaking stress-free. Ride comfort is excellent, even on longer journeys. Suspension tuning absorbs road imperfections well, while the balanced weight distribution enhances stability in corners and crosswinds. Steering is precise, visibility is excellent, and driver fatigue is kept to a minimum, making the Unity TBX ideal for both long road trips and daily use. Whether navigating tight city streets or open highways, it remains composed and predictable. Technology and smart features. Technology plays a major role in the Unity TBX experience. The driver cockpit features a modern dashboard with intuitive controls and a clear infotainment system that integrates navigation, media, and vehicle data seamlessly. Everything is positioned for ease of use while driving. Inside the living space, smart control systems allow you to manage lighting, climate, and power usage efficiently. These features enhance comfort while also improving energy management, especially important for off-grid travel. Connectivity options support remote work and entertainment, making the Unity TBX well-suited for modern digital lifestyles. Pros and cons. Pros. The Unity TBX offers an excellent balance of compact size and premium comfort. Its intelligent interior design maximizes usable space. Driving dynamics are smooth, stable, and confidence-inspiring. High-quality materials and finishes elevate the overall experience. Cons. Limited space may not suit larger families. Storage capacity, while well-designed, is naturally restricted by size. Premium features come with a premium price point. The 2026 Unity TBX is not trying to be the biggest motorhome on the road, and that's exactly its strength. It's designed for travelers who value quality over quantity, smart engineering over unnecessary size, and real-world usability over flashy excess. Whether you're a couple exploring long-distance routes or a solo traveler seeking refined freedom, the Unity TBX delivers a compelling blend of luxury, performance, and intelligent design. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Unity TBX, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more premium motorhome reviews and future-focused RV content.